Hey YouTube, I hope you all doing well. In today's video I will show you how I made this wall art. It was pretty easy and fast built. I built something similar a few weeks ago, which seems you guys like it. I will link it somewhere here. So let's jump on the build and I hope you will enjoy the video. Sorry for interrupting the video, just wanna quickly let you know, please subscribe my channel and give me thumbs up. It's gonna help the channel and also it's letting me know you enjoy the videos so I can make new ones. Thank you. Let's go back to video. I just forget to tell you one thing. I made those French cleats to hang the artwork, but I don't know where to hang the artwork yet, so I will keep you posted.